big man here as well.
Yeah, what's going on, mate? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here washing my car. This is a tutorial on how to wash cars.
Wait, don't say it. So I don't have to stay here while you're doing a tutorial.
Well, I guess you have to stay here while you're doing the tutorial. Like, subscribe. Write down the comments if you have any opinions about cleaning cars. Thank you very much. I'm currently putting it on pre-soak. You put it on pre-soak so you let the soap into the car so it gets all the germs nice and soft. So then you put it on the wash soap. That is literally soap coming out of the gun, right? And then you put it on the car like this, and then you go to the normal rinse. Then you rinse the car, and then that's all good, mate.
We got Joison.
You got $2.
We got Joison. And his fucking shit box.
Back off.
Better than this piece of shit Civic, bro. It's fucking dripping. Oh, it's wet. Fucking wet. Oh. Ready? This is fucking B-roll right here, ready? He's got a pre-soak.
Well, yeah, you've got to pre-soak, you know.
Get them wheels clean.
The wheels really good, because wheels get the dirtiest in the car, you know. Just do like a vertical up and down. As you can see. Make sure you close all your windows, and if you have a sunroof, make sure you close the sunroof. Most people don't have sunroof.
Here you go. My turn to clean my car.
You put coffee up or what?
No. Oh, my turn to clean my car.
Friends, see friends cleaning their cars.
Jake, where you going? Don't leave. My friend Jake, guys. He's a dickhead. Yeah. Oh, sick. Nice.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Nice. So yeah, we're at the car wash. What do you call it? Amos Plains? Amos Plains. Let's go look at Narayan's piece of shit. You guys ready? Wait, nah, look at this. This is bullshit. I went and got changed from them, yeah? And watch this, ready? 1, 2, 3. What the hell am I meant to do now? Ever shove it in. Yeah, push it. Hey! No, that's how you do it though. Wait, I gotta put on wash soap. Please hold me soap. Hey man, that's clean, man, that's clean. That's clean. That's clean. The Vietnamese helper's working. How much you paying him for cleaning them rims?
I'm paying him my friendship.
That ain't worth much. Let's do one from behind. I did the one from front. You always feel like going full. And Vietnamese work is still going.
Man, get that fucking camera out of my face.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, shit.
You can do that on a cut.
Do that.
Man, attacked me at car wash.
Let's go. I'm tired. Oh god, no. Look at that baby right over there. Right fucking over there. Hope he doesn't look at me fucking. Oh, focus, that's the wrong way. Oh, that's like it too much.
Guys, one day, no one will get that. Mark my words. Wait, I didn't mean a 50 dessert. I meant that gas tank.
Oh, sick, I get a gas tank.
Yeah, you get a gas tank.
Just to refill cars? Yeah, man. Then we got the car wash babes working over here. Yeah, do you know the ones? It's like $10 for a car wash. People come car wash just because they want to see you wash the car.
You have to pay 50 to get naked.
Not just awesome. Alright, you ready? Go!
Go up! Hurry up!
Okay, that's legit.
I
Ready?
swear to God, Bob, if you don't do it, I'm gonna fucking hit you.
Okay, go! Get legit, get ready. Legit. Oh, this guy work. Hey. Yeah, what's up? You want me to help? But I'm designated vlogger, so I don't have to help. Isn't that how it works?
At least my car worked when I bought it.
Okay, Zick. Wait, where's the other cloth? There was one in my car.
Open this door.
Dude, I'm horrible with the wheels, bro.
There's a whole bunch in my car.
This is massive. What the frick?
It's beautiful.
Oh!
Oh, it's this way, Look, I could wear this, look at that. You can't see nothing. Scratches everywhere, Dave.
Everywhere in my car.
Oh, you guys boring. A lot of boats.